We are looking at Deutsche Bank Energy Index. The DXE is the names of the companies that trade in this sector. We have identified the DXE, Deutsche Bank Energy Index. Here we are going to identify the ERY, Daily Energy Bear 3X. Here we are going to identify, once again, this is the daily energy index. These are all the stocks. This is the sector index, the DXE right here. On the flip side, we're going to go over here now, and we're going to go to the ERX, which is the Energy Bull 3X. So we can clearly see that we had the 5-day rally there. Now I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to bring it up in the SMF Market Maker platform. MMTs, here we have on this side, this chart, this is the ERX. This is the Bull 3X. This here is the Deutsche Bank Sector Indice on this chart that went straight up and they sold into it at $13.95. Over here, this is the Bear Energy 3X going straight down. Now, let's take a look at them individually here. So, when there was a time to be long the bear, and we made these tops. And when these triple tops, just like the indexes, we came straight down, that was time to short this bear. So we understand that part. On the flip side, we need to understand that right here is the ERX daily. This is the ERX right here. And that ERX 3X bull was just breaking out, and it was time to be long here. And the thing about it is, when you take a look right here, the DXE is this actual sector indice, which I already showed earlier in the video of the combination of stocks. You got Hess in there, you got Murphy Oil, you got some big ass leaders in there. Hess is a good one, ConocoPhillips is in there, CVX is in there, Diamond Offshore is in there, Halliburton's in there, Noble Energy is in there, a lot of good yielding stocks, SLB, Schlumberger's in there, Sunco is in there. So basically, when we put in extreme bottoms, and we always want to go back, that these very extreme bottoms on the energy sold off very, very, very hard. You could see that long down move. And it was time that when we were selling off in the energy, before we had the 5-day rally up to these tops, it was you needed to be long the Bear 3X. So that's the DXE. We know what that's tied to. We can also see clearly that this Bull 3X, ERX daily, when energy was selling off, this was a great short. You could short these ETFs. You're not one-way sided. Most people don't know that, and a lot of people don't have the permissions. But look at, you would have been short this, and you would have been long this great breakout right here. This is the Bear 3X. It broke higher here. We pulled back. We tested it. We broke higher. But when we hit the very top right here, we also hit the very bottom right here. And trading energy, they have good high volume both on the ERX and both on the ERY, and the DXE also has decent volume as well. So this once again is getting diversified in lots of various key sectors on how to trade bull, bear ETFs, iShares, looking at the sector, knowing when the sector was extremely oversold. And that meant that the bear was extremely overbought, went straight down, extremely oversold straight up. We were extremely oversold in the energy complex, where big money has been on that trade for the last couple of years. You can see that big rally, but you can see they sold into it. Now we're going to apply it to our trade management. Once again, DXE, that's the sector indice. Once again, MMTs. This here is the ERX daily 3X bull. Once again, MMTs. This is the ERY daily, can be sold short. These are daily charts. And once again, I'm just going to tell MMTs, when we're at very extreme bottoms oversold, these trades work wonderful on a daily level. When we're extremely, extremely, extremely overbought, though, they also work. Right now, we're about right in the middle of the market from last week's rally. We're going into a July earnings. Energy is going to be the focus, I guarantee you. And what we're doing, MMTs, in the apprenticeship year, it's very important that not only are you diversified globally, but you're diversified ETF-wise, sector-wise, trade management-wise, understanding where markets are, understanding where to be long, and understanding how to have both sides of a trade. If I'm shorting here and I'm going long the bull, I can't lose money. My short's working, my bull would be going higher. Once again, it's very important that we master this with you so that you're globally diversified, you are ETF diversified in bull and bear, and your sector indice diversified. Bull, bear, energy.